Needed Most is a non-medical home care agency. We provide services in the community to people that need assistance.
You decided to do this business? What made you want to go into this?
Well, I've been doing home care for over 20 years. It started really with my mom. My mom was doing home care, taking care of people, babysitting, that sort of thing. So that's what I grew up doing, was taking care of people. And I just decided when my last son went off to college a couple of years ago to start my own business and doing home care. It's really needed in the community. Everybody is going to need somebody to care for them one day. And this is the best thing that I do. We cover a big client base. You know, as I said, we care for the elderly as well, but we take care of women suffering from postpartum depression. You might have a mom that would like to sleep between 12 midnight and 4 a.m. in the morning, and we'll come and we'll sit with your baby while you get that sleep, and that's what makes us different.
So do you think that your company, Needed Most, has a big impact on the mothers who are going through postpartum depression as opposed to if they didn't have these kind of services?
Well, I know there's a lot of different mommy groups here in Carrollton. I started mine because my daughter suffers from postpartum depression. I had 4 children myself, and I just don't remember if I even went through postpartum depression, but I see it in my daughter. And so I started doing research and getting some information about postpartum depression because she was displaying some symptoms. And so I was just there as a support to just listen to her and hold the baby, take the baby for a while, those sorts of techniques that I use to help her through that time. And it's good to fellowship and be able to have others to talk to that's going through the same thing that you're going through, so they'll know that you're not alone. Women go through this, and you're not bad because of it.
Okay. Can you tell the audience about Mommy's Day Out? Because that sounds nice.
Yes. Well, Mommy's Day Out is every first Thursday of the month, and it's from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. and we just get together. We meet here, or I post it up on my Facebook page, Mommy's Day Out, of the event where it's going to be in all the details. And it's every first Thursday of the month. It's free. You know, just come, have some snacks, fellowship with other moms, and I'll have child care and toys and that sort of thing for the children to play with, coloring books and stuff. So it'd be fun.
Okay. Well, kings and queens, that's all for today. I'm your host, Tiana Shell, and
I'm Jawanda Norman
of Needed Most LLC. And remember, stay beautiful, stay proud, stay black.
Don't forget to like their Facebook page and visit their website for more information.